There's a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun, and it's been a ruin of a many poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. Now my mother was a tailor, she sold my blue jeans, and my father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk, and the only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk. Now mother, tell your children not to do what I have done. Tell your children not to go back to the house of the rising sun.